Sajibu cheiraoba festival is a traditional new year for the people following the Sanamahism religion in Manipur. Though Sanamahism's religious followers traditionally celebrated it, now people of all faiths celebrate this. The name Sajibu nongma panba was derived from three Manipuri words: Sajibu meaning the first month of the year, nongma meaning the first date of a month, and panba meaning to be. So together they represent to be on the first day of the first Meitei lunar month. According to the Sanamahism religion's followers, the Meitei New Year or Sajibu nongma panba origin dates back to King Malia Fambalcha, also known as Koi Koi, in 1359 to 1329 BC. Koi Koi became the king at the young age of 25 years. Since then, the Meitei calendar or cheiraoba, known as Marifam, started. So 1359 BC will be 25 Marifam and 2021 AD will be 3385 MF as per the Meitei calendar. So Koi Koi's birthday was taken as the base or 00 MF, and that day became the new year as per the Meitei lunar calendar. The Cheiraoba festival of Manipur signifies the advent of the new year or a new beginning. The festival is celebrated to strengthen the relations or bonds of love and brotherhood among families, relatives, and neighbors. The Manipuri people believe what happens on the day of Cheiraoba occurs throughout the year, so meeting their extended families and friends, gifting each other presents, feasting together, and being happy on this day will result in the same happening for the rest of the year. Hence, on the day of the Cheiraoba festival, Manipur people arrange traditional cuisine feasts for their families, relatives, and friends. First, they offer food to their local deities at their homes' entrances and then serve it to guests. After enjoying the meal, people with their guests climb to the top of a nearby hill to offer prayers. They believe climbing the hill elevates them to great heights in their lives.